Good afternoon. A New Mexico man has pled guilty to voluntary manslaughter in the death of his ex-girlfriend, and soon he may be able to walk free. In exchange, he has to lead police to her body, which has been missing for 3 years. The victim's family is not happy about the deal. Here's News 13's Jackie Kent.
The state says Arthur Lovato can avoid jail time as long as investigators find and identify the remains of his ex-girlfriend, Rita Jaramillo. We followed along on part of that search today.
And how do you feel that charge?
Guilty.
It's a plea deal that could put accused killer Arthur Lovato back out on the streets. Today in Los Lunas District Court, Lovato pleaded guilty to voluntary manslaughter in the 2018 killing of his ex-girlfriend, 49-year-old Rita Jaramillo. After she disappeared, her Los Lunas home was found torched, but she was never found.
Neighbors had indicated that they had heard a gunshot.
That carries a possible 6-year sentence. But the state struck a deal that could set him free.
The defendant shall provide to law enforcement the exact location of the victim's remains, culminating in the successful recovery and identification of Rita Jaramillo.
Following the plea hearing, News 13 followed the caravan of state police vehicles in which Lovato agreed to guide investigators to Jaramillo's remains.
It is his intent to be fully compliant with the terms contained in the plea agreement.
That took us here, on a road just off I-25 south of Veguita, where the search went on for hours until they moved to start looking further down the road.
As soon as the identification is made, we will notify the court.
In court, the state even admitted the victim's family isn't happy with this agreement, but says it's necessary in the event the case goes to trial.
We believe that this is an appropriate resolution due to the lack of forensic evidence, Judge, and the state's obligation to produce the corpus delicti of the case and prove, as a matter of fact, that the victim is in fact dead and not a missing person.
In the hearing today, prosecutors also talked about an issue with some of the evidence they do have. The defense was challenging items collected from Lovato's property, saying police entered without a warrant. At last check, state police tells us the search is still ongoing. Back to you.
Okay, thanks, Jackie. Now, the state says if the remains are found, it could take months to identify them. If they do belong to Jaramillo, Lovato will be sentenced at a later date. If they don't find or ID the remains, the case will go to trial.